welcome to my vlog. As you guys can see by today's title, today is going to be my 21st birthday maintenance vlog. Your girl is turning 21 finally. I'm about to just get ready for everything, all the birthday festivities that will be going on. Today is Thursday, August 18th. What I will be doing is going to get my toes done. I'm heading to the nail shop right now. I'm 20 minutes away. I'm stuck in traffic, and y'all already know how New York traffic be, but I'm headed there now. I'm thinking about getting like the French tip set for my toes. That's what I usually resort to, or white. Like it's either white, French, or nothing. I hope everything just goes fast and stuff because I have a nail appointment at 6 o'clock and that is literally on the other side of town. I'm just trying to make sure I have enough time to do everything. Like look, I look crazy. Nothing is done. I do have to take these nails off so I could get a fresh set. Even though what I'm doing to my nails is going to be a freestyle set, and the girl who did it itself do nails that I'm going to today, and she's fire. Y'all just gotta stay tuned for the prep. I'm excited. Your girl's turning 21, and I'm also having a birthday party tomorrow. So tomorrow we have a little bit of stuff to do. I don't have a lot to do because my brow's already done. I'm a waxer. I do my own waxes, so the most I have to do is like shave my legs, wax my legs, whatever it is, and that's really it. I'm just so stressed and overwhelmed, but y'all can't tell what I am. And tomorrow I'm going to get my hair done by somebody I went. So yeah, we have a lot to do. Fake. What's going on? What is you looking at? So yeah guys, you guys are just gonna watch me prep for my 21st birthday because we are going up. Like y'all is not ready. Are y'all ready? No, not ready. I'm gonna come back when I'm at the nail shop.
Poppin' shit, you would think I went to school for chiropractic. Looking good as hell today, just sent my nigga foul tested. Why'd you come from me about a nigga, man? You bitch back, they coming me about niggas. I don't even feel the trust. I don't know that nigga, I just see them on the top. I ain't been up in your face, I took a nigga down.
Yeah, we're both getting French tip.
As soon as I feel like my time get wasted, then it's time to go. They say they don't fuck with me, but I say they can't fuck with me. Just like the girl, I'm everywhere. How you say it's up with me? Them bitches should've stayed down. They could've been up with me, but all they doing is talking down, cause they can't get up with me. My ex fucking on my old friend, both they ass some fucking clowns. Thinking that she got one up on me, she got my hand down. He thought he wasn't gon' have to stand on shit like he was handicapped. Made that nigga stand on it, now his ass can't stand me now. High as fuck, I'm lit, yo. I don't smoke no sweet shots. Slime with my gang and them, look at them like sisters. These bitches be letting it go outside about these niggas. I don't wanna hang with them, they don't have no business. They be going for anything, but I can't go for none of them. Why would I go chase you if I know you gon' come running back? Cut her back, y'all lately been feeling like the lumberjack. They really get me fucked up, and now I'm going for none of that. She the type that nigga make her mad, she going too some. Me, I'm kinda ratchet still, so I'm the type to be some. I can't love you, baby, like your bitch do, so don't leave her. He gon' choose her every time, cause it's cheap for the keeper. Can't say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can't get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow. Ain't fucked up by no credit score, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow.
We're finished. We just finished getting food. Now I'm about to drop her off, and then we're gonna go to, where we going? Oh, I'm gonna get my nails done. Yeah, I'm about to go get my nails done. What is it giving? It's giving long, short.
It's giving long.
It's giving, it's giving long.
Think over here. Where is that?
You see these stank niggas over here? It's stank. I'll be back when I get to my nail appointment, y'all. 21 minutes away from my nail tech. Should arrive literally on time. Hopefully it doesn't take me long to find parking over there. I'm about to eat my food while I'm driving because I ain't gonna have time to eat it when I get there. I need to get that thing for my camera. But I just got some curry chicken and rice. This is what I like to eat every time I come over here. But yeah, on my way. And I'm so excited. I'm feeling real better about my party. When I first got in the car, I was a little like overwhelmed, like, but now I feel better. I'm eating, so that should minimize all the stress. Oh my god, my camera. Everybody is texting me, getting their last minute tickets in, and I'm here for it. Y'all gonna pop up a little on me?
Baby girl, you looking ripply up. Bitch, I'm drunk. Way past over and I way past Tipsy.
Look at me like, you was a fat ass bitch. And I'm like, yeah. I got 3 more nails to take off. So good. From New York, you want Sutter and Rutland? It's right there. So good. But I'll get to y'all when I get to my nail appointment.
Wow, that's really retro.
finished my nails, and when I tell you guys, she did my nails so fire. She did them fire. Make sure you guys support her. I left her Instagram in the description box, and it will be located on the screen so y'all can book her. I just came from New Apollo's, y'all. If you know, you know. I'm from Brooklyn. Oh, you already know how that New Apollo's be. I haven't went to New Apollo's in so long. Oh my god, I haven't went to New Apollo's in like a year. This is the pregame for my party tomorrow. She gonna have me fucked up. To go home, I'm about to prep for my party tomorrow. Me and my sister have to make drinks, like test drinks, stuff like that. We should have been did that. And I gotta find a liquor store that's open at this time. Yeah, we just gotta prep for tomorrow. I got my hair appointment tomorrow. My friends are coming over to help with everything. We'll see you guys tomorrow for part 2 of the maintenance, because oh, tomorrow is when it get real. Like tomorrow's when it get real. Like I'm really about to turn it to that. I'm so excited. So yeah, it's the baddie. Have you seen it? Like that's what it's gonna get. But I will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so it's the next day and we're at the mall. We just have to go pick up some last minute stuff. I'm with my sister. She gotta go to Primark. I have to go to Macy's to get some shoes for me and my mom. I need to get a necklace, something to wear my neck for later. But other than that, going to Primark. I'm getting my hair done at 1 o'clock. It's 10:22. It's gonna be a hectic day, but I'll see you guys later.
Yeah. 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 Leave me out the comments, leave me out the nonsense. Speaking out of context, people need some content. Niggas trying to keep up, shit is not a contest. Whipping bands concept, heaven sent, God sent. At least that's what my mom says, proof is in the progress. Money's not an object, busy than a motherfucker. You know how my job get, barking up the wrong tree. You know how the dogs get, haven't fallen off yet. Come with a classic, they come around years later and say it's a sleeper. The ears are real, the petty is real. Might trust my ex for a feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Leticia, or Linda Felicia. She gave it me twice, I didn't even know her once. You know I'm a pleaser. 42 millimeter, was made in Geneva. Yeah, I probably should go to Yeshiva. We went to Ibiza. Yeah, I probably should go live with Yeezy. I need me some Jesus. As soon as I started confessing my sins, he wouldn't believe us. Sins. I got sins on my mind and some M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love. I'm in love with 2 girls at one time and they 10s. That's why.
Alright y'all, so it's been like an hour or 2 later. I just came back from picking up more stuff for my party. Like I got the light back there, and I got some more bottles. I had to get like a few more bottles because we're gonna make drinks as well. Sorry if y'all hear the AC in the background, but it's literally hot today. It is crazy because it's been cold recently, but it's hot today. I'm actually sitting outside of my hair appointment where she does hair. I'm about to go. My appointment's at 1, it's 12:55, and I just knew she was gonna be late doing my hair. I want to start my hair at 1 o'clock. I'm trying to get this together, but I just know she's gonna be late. That's annoying, but we're about to get this hair done because everybody's like, what's going on? And it's like I couldn't even dress how I wanted to, because you know the stylists be taking pictures and doing all that. I have on my Pop Smoke shirt for Pop Smoke thing, but it's whatever. I'm just about to go get this hair done. I'll look cute later. So I'm about to go in, so come on, let's go get slayed.
Claps.
I didn't get to vlog me doing my makeup, so here's the final look. I'm about to have a party, so that's going to be a whole separate vlog. Make sure y'all go tune into that vlog that, you know, is going to be up soon. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching my maintenance vlog, and